Good morning, happy Saturday. Today we are off to a place called Paradise Farm Park, which I believe is a bit like a traditional farm that we have in the UK. I'm not too sure what kind of animals it has, but Lennon's been asking us to go to a farm for so long, and we finally found somewhere. And then it's also got it's up in the mountains. It's going to take us about 50 minutes to get there, but it's got this swimming pool that like overlooks the forest and all of the beach, so we're going to go and check it out and see what it's like. I made it. To get up here is like they're hills because it's in the mountains. It's like psh. But how big are you? You are a child size, but our car is quite old, so it doesn't do very well going up hills. It's like, yeah, you are allowed in there. You're just a child, Price. Yeah, we're just waiting for Lennon. Lennon, look. Look in here. It's a bird.
I want to go in there.
Go and stand up against the thing, see how tall you are.
Yeah.
So you're a child's ticket. And what's Lennon? Lennon's free.
Is he allowed in?
Yeah, everyone's allowed in. It just that depends on how much you're going to pay.
Oh!
Look at that.
Hello. Hello. Oh. They will come into me.
You want to put some in your hand? Here, come here then.
I want
Right, crouch down. Crouch down. Crouch down.
But they're not pinched, Lennon.
No. Right. Crouch down, like Mama. Crouch down. Crouch. Go down. They're very gentle. Roman, they're so gentle.
I don't want to. I don't want to.
Oh look, Roman, look what he does. So he took all the sunflower seeds in his beak, and now he's breaking them up.
Hello.
He takes them all in his mouth, and then there, cracks them.
Ow. Oh, do you want to do the little one?
Eating my hair. It's coming, the baby's coming.
Did I not like rabbit?
We've decided to walk back through the nature walk stairs.
I see the fish.
Oh, I can see some fish. It's basically just this rickety staircase on the middle of the mountain, but the views are amazing, and we're on our way to a swimming pool. It's really windy up here. It's quite nice actually. We're on our way to a swimming pool, aren't we, Lennon? This is the walk that I'm working with.